World's Weirdest Animals. Insects. A Smart Kids Club publication. Contents at a glance. Introduction to the Animal Kingdom. We live on an amazing planet. Our Earth is full of incredible things. Some of these things are living and some are not. For example, a rock is not alive. How about a tree? And the bird sitting on its branch? Yes, these are both living things. Scientists divide living things into two groups called kingdoms. There is the plant kingdom and the animal kingdom. The animal kingdom is then divided into vertebrates, animals with backbones, and invertebrates, animals without backbones. Introduction to insects. An insect is an invertebrate animal with a three-part body: the head, the thorax or midsection, and the abdomen. An insect has an exoskeleton. This means its skeleton is on the outside of its body. Other animals, like humans, have endoskeletons. This means the skeleton is found inside the body. An insect has 3 pairs of legs that have joints, 1 pair of antennae that is used as the insect's sense of smell, and compound eyes that are made up of thousands of eye units. There are millions of insect species, making up 90% of all animals. Atlas moth. The atlas moth has very beautiful wings. They are colorful and have some interesting patterns. But do you notice anything unusual about its wings? In Chinese, it is called the snake's head moth. Do you see what looks like snakes at the outer edge of each wing near the top? Weird, huh? The atlas moth or cobra moth is found in the tropical forests of Southeast Asia and is one of the largest moths in the world. Its wingspan can be nearly 12 inches. Atlas moths make silk, and their cocoons are used for purses in some parts of the world. Devil's flower mantis. The devil's flower mantis is one of the biggest kinds of praying mantis in the world. It grows to be up to 5 inches long and lives in these countries on the continent of Africa: Ethiopia, Kenya, Malawi, Somalia, Tanzania, and Uganda. It has very good eyesight, which helps it find food. It does this by pretending to be a flower and standing motionless. The name of the flower is the devil's flower, a kind of orchid, and this is where the mantis gets its name. As fast as lightning, it grabs beetles and flies and eats them. European rhinoceros beetle. The European rhinoceros beetle gets its name from the long curved horn on top of its head. It does look a little bit like a rhinoceros, doesn't it? It is a large flying beetle, and at nearly 2 inches long, it is one of the largest found in Europe. It lives in many parts of Europe as well as North Africa, the Near East, and Pakistan. The top of the beetle is very dark, and it has long red hair on the underside of its body and legs. Did you see the movie A Bug's Life? In that movie, Dim was a European rhinoceros beetle. Giant prickly stick insect. The giant prickly stick insect is also known as the spiny leaf insect and the Australian walking stick. It is one of the largest stick insects in the world. A stick insect is any insect that looks like a stick or leaf. The giant prickly stick insect is endemic to Australia. This means that it lives in Australia and cannot be found anywhere else on Earth. It is covered with thorn-like spikes. These help the insect defend itself against other animals and also serves as camouflage. It is a herbivore and grows to be up to 8 inches long. Giant water bug. The giant water bug has several other names like alligator flea, alligator tick, electric light bugs, Indian toe biters, and toe biters. It is a large insect. It can grow to be almost 5 inches long. It is found in freshwater ponds and streams in many places around the world. This bug can't breathe underwater, so it has to come up for air. It likes to eat amphibians, crustaceans, fish, invertebrates, and snails. Some of the largest giant water bugs even eat snakes and small turtles. The bite of a giant water bug is very painful, but not dangerous. Giant weta. The giant weta is an insect that is endemic to New Zealand. Weta is a Maori word. The Maoris are the indigenous people of New Zealand. The giant weta can grow to be up to 4 inches long and weigh as much as 2.5 ounces. That's heavier than a sparrow. It is one of the heaviest insects in the world, and it has no wings. There are 11 species of giant weta, and they are mostly found on islands near New Zealand. The largest is called the Little Barrier Island giant weta. It is named after an island off the coast of New Zealand. Goliath beetle. The Goliath beetle gets its name from the giant called Goliath, who was defeated by a human named David. It is one of the largest and heaviest insects in the world. A Goliath beetle can grow to be over 4 inches long. It lives in the tropical forests of Africa and likes to eat fruit and the sap from trees. Like most other beetles, a Goliath beetle has 2 pairs of wings. The outer pair protects the inner pair, and the inner pair is used for flying. At the ends of its legs are sharp claws. These help the beetle to climb on tree branches and trunks. Hercules beetle. The Hercules beetle is named after Hercules, the Roman god who was known for his great strength. This beetle is so strong that it can lift things that are 80 times heavier than its own body weight. Hercules beetles have been known to lift things that weigh 17 pounds. This is like you being able to lift a truck up off of the ground. The Hercules beetle grows to be nearly 7 inches long and lives in the rainforests of Central and South America. These beetles have horns and are related to the European rhinoceros beetle. Puss moth caterpillar. After a caterpillar spends some time in a cocoon, it comes out as an adult butterfly or a moth. Usually the adult is very colorful, but not the puss moth. The adult moth is white or pale yellow with black lines and is kind of boring. But the caterpillar is bright greenish yellow with some red around its face and at the tips of its tails. But what makes this caterpillar really weird is what it does when it is scared of other animals. It raises its head up, and with 2 black dots that look like eyes, it makes a face that looks like a vertebrate. Spiny flower mantis. Like the devil's flower mantis, the spiny flower mantis likes to pretend that it's a flower. It is a small flower mantis. It only grows to be 1.5 inches long. It lives in certain areas of eastern and southern Africa. A spiny flower mantis can be green, pink, red, or yellow. When it is resting, it looks enough like a flower that insects come towards it thinking it's a flower. This is when it grabs the insects and eats them. A spiny flower mantis mother carries her eggs in a sac. Her egg sac can be 3 times bigger than her own body. Interesting facts. Scientists think that there might be between 6 and 10 million different species of insects. Houseflies use their feet to find sugar. Their feet are 10 million times more sensitive than human tongues. Some insects, like water striders, are able to walk on the surface of water. Bees can fly up to 60 miles in one day to gather food, and they have to make 10 million trips to get enough nectar from flowers to make 1 pound of honey. Ants, bees, and termites live together in colonies. Beetles make up about 25% of all species of plants and animals, and there are more species of beetles than plant species. An ant can lift and carry things that are 50 times heavier than its own body weight. Insects are cold-blooded. This means they must rely on their environment to help keep them cool or warm. Monarch butterflies are so light in weight that it takes 100 of them to make 1 ounce. Most insects hatch from eggs. Some insects can lay as many as 40,000 eggs in one day. Spiders are not insects. Bees are found on every continent on Earth except Antarctica. When ants walk, interesting facts. Scientists think that there might be between 6 and 10 million different species of insects. Houseflies use their feet to find sugar. Their feet are 10 million times more sensitive than human tongues. Some insects, like water striders, are able to walk on the surface of water. Bees can fly up to 60 miles in one day to gather food, and they have to make 10 million trips to get enough nectar from flowers to make 1 pound of honey. Ants, bees, and termites live together in colonies. Beetles make up about 25% of all species of plants and animals, and there are more species of beetles than plant species. An ant can lift and carry things that are 50 times heavier than its own body weight. Insects are cold-blooded. This means they must rely on their environment to help keep them cool or warm. Monarch butterflies are so light in weight that it takes 100 of them to make 1 ounce. Most insects hatch from eggs. Some insects can lay as many as 40,000 eggs in one day. Spiders are not insects. Bees are found on every continent on Earth except Antarctica. When ants walk, they leave trails, and this is how they communicate with other members of their colony. Silk is made by an insect called the silkworm, and it takes about 2,000 silkworm cocoons to make 1 pound of silk.